Hello my lovelies, welcome back to another amazing video. Today we're going to be making chiles rellenos or stuffed peppers, so come along. Today we've divided this recipe into 5 parts so it's easier to follow. Our part 1 is our delicious stuffing. So for our stuffing, we're going to boil 1 pound of pork tenderloin until fully cooked, and to the water we're going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Once cooked, we're going to chop the tenderloin into small cubes. Next we're going to dice 1 medium-sized tomato. We're then going to dice up 1 medium-sized onion. We're going to add our vegetables and our pork together with some salt and pepper for taste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, and 3 tablespoons of cooked rice in a pan. We're going to add a little bit of oil and fry this up for 5 minutes. We're then going to set this aside so that it cools off, and we are done with part 1. Next up, part 2, our delicious salsa or tomato sauce. In a blender, we're going to add some garlic, some cilantro, tomatoes, onion, green pepper, chicken bouillon, salt and pepper for taste, and 1.5 cups of water. Once liquefied, we're going to simmer this sauce on medium-high heat for 10 minutes, and we are done with part 2. Next up, part 3, are Chiles Serranos. So we're going to start off by washing and pat drying 12 Serrano peppers. We're going to place our peppers on a hot pan and we're going to turn them constantly. What we want is to roast the skins evenly. We're then going to place the peppers in a plastic bag and we're going to allow them to sweat off for 5 minutes. This is going to help us later to peel the skins. After the 5 minutes, we're going to make an incision and we're going to gently peel off the skins. We're then going to go ahead and remove all of the seeds. The seeds are what make the serrano pepper really spicy, so I would suggest removing them completely, unless you like that heat. We're going to place our peppers aside, and now we're done with part 3. Moving along to part 4, we're now going to do our egg dip. We are going to start off by separating the egg yolks and egg whites of 7 eggs. We're going to beat our egg whites until they start to foam up. Next, we're going to add the egg yolks one by one and we're going to continue to beat. We're then going to add 1 big pinch of flour and we're going to continue to beat. Once your egg foam has tripled in size, meaning about 15 to 20 minutes of beating, then that means that it's ready. We'll set it aside and we're done with part 4. And finally, our moment of truth, part 5, ensemble. We are going to start by taking our serrano peppers one by one and stuffing them with at least 3 tablespoons of filling. We're going to close them up by using toothpicks. Next, we're carefully going to take each pepper and we're going to rub flour all over. Then, very gently, we're going to take each pepper and we're going to dip it in our egg batter. We're then going to fry them in hot oil until golden brown all over. This can roughly take around 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Once nice and golden, we're going to carefully take them out of the pan one by one, and we're going to place them on some paper towels so that the paper towel can absorb any excess oil. Now for our last and final step, we're going to take each pepper once more, and now what we're going to do is we're going to take out each and every toothpick that we inserted. We're then going to place them really carefully into our sauce. We're going to make sure that each and every pepper is completely submerged in our sauce, and we're going to boil them for around 10 minutes. And voila, we have our delicious chiles rellenos salvadoreños. So I want to thank everybody for watching this video today. Please remember to subscribe so that you don't miss any other videos in the future, and also follow us on Instagram at san.pal20 so that you never miss any fun facts. Bye-bye!